What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and today we're making s'mores cookies. That's right, s'mores cookies. So I figured what better way than, hey, let's make it at the house. We'll try it out, see how it tastes, and share it with y'all. Because it sounds delicious. It sounds good. It's super simple, super easy. We're gonna try this out and see if it works. So let's do this. So here I have all my ingredients. I have graham crackers, 2 sticks of butter, a half a cup of sugar, 3 cups of flour, all purpose, a cup of mixture of little chocolate chips and big chocolate chips, a cup and 1/4 of brown sugar, some marshmallows, some candy because it's a s'more, 2 eggs, some baking powder and baking soda. And we're gonna start with our wet ingredients first. So we can set everything off to the side for right now. All we're gonna simply do is get our butter melted down first. Before I forget to tell y'all, preheat your ovens to 350 degrees. We wanna let our butter cool down because we don't wanna cook our egg. So I'm gonna do a splash of vanilla. You know, we definitely need. We want to make sure we add some salt. Not too much though. That's good. Now we want to add our sugar. So we're going to mix our sugar and butter, our wet ingredients in with our sugar and mix it until it gets real nice. I'll show you what we're looking for.
Now mix it. Now put that in there.
Now I'm also gonna add my brown sugar on in too.
I can't run. Whoa, look at
Put these on in, baby. No, dump these on in there. It's fine. Just like that. There you go. And then we're just gonna whisk all that stuff right on in. You just gotta go slow, okay? You can't go fast. So I'm gonna take my chocolate chips. I'm gonna dump them on in there with some marshmallows. I just did like a handful of marshmallows and put them on in. And get it incorporated.
it's peanut butter.
It looks like peanut butter, but it's not. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our flour right on in. Perfect, thank you. Lock it in. Locked it. Good job. And then we mix. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees so you're ready to roll. We are going to put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes and let that cookie dough solid up a little bit. But yeah. So I like to just scoop all my cookie dough into the middle, get off some sides. And then we're gonna put this into your fridge for about 30 minutes. While our cookies are chilling, we're gonna go ahead and prep everything. So I got my pans here. I'm gonna spray them on down. Get our graham crackers here, okay? You can eat it. Try it. Once you break your graham crackers down into halves, we're gonna put them just like this. And then what we're gonna do is, remember that candy you saw earlier? So I got I got the cookies and cream bars right there. Hershey bars right here. Cookies and cream. This is a Reese cup cookie thing. And you can do it however you want to, y'all. Perfect.
These are gonna be chocolate.
And all we're gonna do is we're gonna brace for our cookies to get ready. Our cookie dough is done set for about 30 minutes. So it's ready. I'm gonna scoop it out just like that. All right, so I have some chocolate chips here. I'm just gonna kind of scoop it on there. Get that top nice and decorative. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my cookie down on top of that graham cracker. And kind of.
Give me one. Give me one.
Somewhat.
The cookie dough. So I can put them on the chocolate.
I will. We'll see, we're decorating. We're making it look good.
Oh, that's well, I want to decorate too.
So the ice cream scoop. Drop. Put in some chocolate chips.
I want to decorate my marshmallow.
You want to do it together?
No, the chocolate. I'm gonna get it over there.
Oh, you want to put the marshmallows on?
I want the marshmallow. No, I want the chocolate.
Yeah, it's fun. Y'all, look at these. These are absolutely stunning cookies. This will definitely be one of those things at the whatever you bring these to, cookouts, whatever. Everybody's gonna be asking into your oven for about 10 to 17 minutes. Cookies are done and they look phenomenal. Crumble ain't got nothing on Dad Simply Cooking, okay? You don't know what Crumble is? Crumble is a cookie place that if you want 12 of their cookies, you need $50, okay? It's a bit much. Look amazing. They're chilling, looking great. Oh, look at that bottom. There's that graham cracker. Oh man. Is to take one of these cookies and bite into it. Oh. Oh yeah. So y'all, all you're gonna need is some milk with these cookies. 10 out of 10. Y'all take care. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you tell somebody you love them. If you will, I'd greatly appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace!